Guys, how's it going? It's Mark from Everything Beamer back with another video. And man, today's video is gonna be really simple, really sweet.
Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to remove the stock e-brake handle and putting the new one on. I do have the carbon fiber one here, as you guys can see.
Just keep in mind, guys, this job is very easy, very simple. It's about 3 easy steps. We're gonna get right into it, so let's get it, man.
The first thing you guys want to do, obviously, you want to get this right here and pop it out. It's about a little extension right here. Once you do that, you're gonna simply want to just pull it out, push it forward like that. There is a zip tie right here, guys, as you can see. So what we're gonna do for that zip tie, get like a little cutter or a knife or anything like that. In this scenario, I have a knife right here. And what I'm gonna do is just cut the zip tie so it'll be a little more free and loose. Keep pulling out till it gets that out. And this should be simple, easy. All you gotta do is pull it out. Some people use 2 hands, some people use 1. Really it took me 1 hand to do it, and we're gonna do that right now. Let's get it. All right, guys, so it should look something like this. So now we're just gonna put the new one on. Just get in there. Look something like this, guys. Make sure you secure it. It's like a little fastener right here. Make it go all the way down. Should look something like this after this done. Now we just gotta put the boot on and put a new zip tie here to hold it on. You guys can see I put a new zip tie here, cause I cut the old one off, just so it can secure the boot. And now I'm just gonna cut this here, and we should be good, and put the tabs back in its place. All there is to it, nothing more, nothing less. Go, guys. Looking good, man, looking good. Another aftermarket part that's simple and easy that makes your inside of your car looks amazing. The whole car looks 10 times better. So you guys, it does function. It should be nice and smooth, just like that. Make sure you guys also you put the zip tie on so you'll be secure on the boot. Won't have any problems on that.
Said, guys, that's it. That's how you do it. That's how you put the new e-brake on, especially when it's carbon fiber, any aftermarket e-brake you have. Man, you guys stay tuned and subscribe. I know this video is kind of short. I just want to get some information now and make it real quick for you guys. Have any more ideas that you guys think should be done to my car, comment below. I'm gonna get it done for you ASAP and also make a video about it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. I'm dropping a lot more videos pretty soon, so hope you guys can stay tuned for each and every one of them. Have a blessed one, and Mar out, man. Have a good one.